In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, customize, and enable the Wix Chat app on your website. This is a fantastic way to engage with your visitors in real time, offering immediate support and creating a more interactive experience. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional chat feature to enhance your website's user experience. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do once you're in the Wix editor is look at the left-hand sidebar where you'll find an option labeled Add. This is the gateway to bringing new features and elements onto your website. You'll want to click on it to access a wide range of options you might want to incorporate. Next, to streamline our goal of adding a chat feature, scroll through the menu until you find the Wix App Market. This marketplace is a powerful resource that houses numerous applications to enhance your site. And today, we're focusing on the Wix Chat app. Simply type Wix Chat into the search bar at the top to find the app quickly. When the Wix Chat app appears, you'll likely notice a button that says Add to Site. Click on that, and the app will automatically integrate into your existing website structure. This integration is seamless and doesn't require any coding knowledge, making it really accessible for anyone, regardless of their tech expertise. Once the app is added, it's time to customize it according to your site's specific needs. A sidebar will open to the left with a plethora of options to choose from. Customization at this stage is key because it allows you to tailor the chat to match your brand's aesthetics and tone. You'll be able to tweak settings such as the chat box color, position on the screen, and the initial greeting message customers will see. You can also choose whether you want your chat window to automatically pop up when someone visits your site, or remain minimized until they click on it. Another useful tip during customization: think about the common questions your visitors might have and consider setting up predefined answers for these FAQs. Doing so not only aids in quick response times, but also enhances user satisfaction. Now, after customizing, the final step involves enabling the chat app. There should be a toggle switch or button labeled something akin to Enable or Activate. Click on it to ensure the chat is live on your site. It's a good practice to test the chat feature once it's activated to see how it appears on the user's end and make any necessary adjustments. And there we have it. Your website now has a functional and customized Wix Chat app ready to engage your visitors. This setup not only facilitates real-time interaction,